Okay, I done my last load of wood today just then, and I cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 new birdhouses. I'm going to make a couple, make one anyway for now, and they're kind of rustic actually as wood. So anyway, you just look for a hollow log out of your wood lot. That one right there is not hollow, and this one right here is hollow. Okay, so now this is a hard looking one really, and that one down here is nice size. So all right, we'll take this one down there, I guess. Providing I have a bit of gas there now. Saw that off pretty fair. Needs to make it for a little bit of gas in it. Okay, so that part done. There's enough for another one there, yes. So we got enough left for another one. So I'll do that one some other time. So this is the one now, right there. So it's the 16th of June, 16th of April, 2026. Okay, so get rid of all that old stuff in the middle there. A chisel and an axe or whatever. Hammer, and we can take the bark off. But I like to leave it rustic, and not only that, but what happens to the bark is the worms in on. There are worms in under this, by the way, termites and stuff. And as you can see, sawdust in there. So they'll clean this inside. They'll eat out all the fresh stuff that they like to eat. And then the bark will just peel right off, and you'll have a design, a really rustic design. So I also need a slab now, a sort to go on as a roof, and I also need a base. So what I've been using for a base to go into this hole right here is a little piece of wood, the same size as that there. So this piece here will do it. So we just cut off a little puck. I call it a puck. So this is the bottom. That'll fit up into the thing there, and you screw it out, take it out for screwing, or take it out for cleaning. Just put a couple of screws in it, and yeah, so yep. Okay, so we'll take that, and that's green, by the way, a little bit long. Now, the roof fits on this way, like right there. I don't have a piece of flat board, a slab anyway. Slab will go on there. So you need some little notches across this way and this way to let in the light and air. The birds don't like it too hot. should do it. There's lots of notches there for that. And we'll take this one and we'll take it up to the shop. I'll put a little notch in there for a name on the bird nest. So I gotta cut that stuff up there now. It's gonna be a bit harder to do, I guess. Okay, there's lots of room in that one. Now, so yeah, now we need a slab now for the roof. And okay, so it's got to be fairly big, I guess. And there's a slab for the roof. So that one should do 2 of those. I'm hoping. There it is over there. So it just needs something to shed the water, really. The birds likes to see a bit of light in the that's that. So we got the bird feeder, the bird house. It's heavy right now. And the slab, hopefully, it's a bit too small. I guess I'm gonna have to make another one. Yeah, I'll do another one anyway. So, well, this one here though. Yeah. Okay. So this one here I'll do it. You can use a piece of plywood or anything, but it's not rustic. Okay. That's the tavern. Okay, so we'll take this and go. Leave my saw there for now. Okay. Get at this now. Oh, too many projects. Too many projects. I gotta make more big rooms again too. So anyway, this is a bird house I'm making for a friend of ours. And she just lost her little puppy dog. So I'm making this in memorandum of her little puppy dog for her. I'm going to call it called the lily pad. So we got to bore a hole in through there now, and we also got to put the roof on. Don't know if that roof is going to be good there or not, to tell you the truth. Oh yeah, a little bit on the squish side, eh? The long way is the best. Just does it like that, so. Yep, so we saw that right across here, I guess. So, and the bandsaw. Now, this little bench I made for a little fella. The bandsaw blade's too big for the bandsaw. So, anyway, that's it. So there you go. Now we need a bit to drill a hole in there. I need a bit. What size bit for a tomtit chickadee? That's the size I got there. Yeah, I'm making a bit smaller than that one. The entrance hole needs to take some stuff away. Okay, so I'm going to take the bark off too, off that. I am thinking in July this will come right off, very nice. But it's not July. Actually not very sharp. Okay, so we got most of that taken off there now. Just finish it, and what I'll do, I'll burn it. Yep, anyway, out. Next, okay, yeah. Okay, I got that cover there now. All I got to do is just match that up with that somehow so I can screw it in there. Yeah, so anyway, we just cut it out. Put a lot of myrrh on this. Didn't realize that. Smokes. Let's see. Okay, so or move, whatever. Take out those edges, that's all you gotta do. Put a bit of stuff in there for the little birds. Moose hair, a little bit of soft stuff. Pieces of a mop of wood. Okay, we'll try that now. See, I'll put a mark on it somehow. Looks like right there. Yep, right there, sir. So that's how that's going to go. So, it's a bit tight right there. A little bit over here, and a little bit right there. Don't want it too tight, you want drainage in there. Okay, so that's little drainage holes. Now all we need next is what sort of lighting? Well, those little holes right there, that's for air to escape. They don't like it too warm. The little birds don't. Oh. Plus I'll burn it out now. This is the roof. So I don't know if I'll make a thing on the roof or not, but okay, burn that roof now. Get some stuff on that. Now this is green stuff, so a bit harder to do actually. When it's green, it's a bit harder to do. So, but one thing about when it's burned, if it was burned much, it lasts a lot longer. I found out. Now this side's supposed to be waterproof side, so it'll burn that a lot. Got a sap right there. Get that out. Okay. Okay, I got one screw put in there. Now you can put another one in right there if you want. But anyway, I don't think you're going to need it, so she's done. This is the lily pad. It's a birdhouse for Paula and in remembrance of her little puppy dog. Just recently passed away. Yeah, anyway, I hope you like it. Making the little perch now for the bird. Some people don't want a perch on there, but I like perch. They use the perches there, so I got a lot of those feeders made, those birdhouses made. So anyway, so we just stick one in there. Wasn't about that long there, I guess. And this is a piece of birch. So we just drive it in there. Okay, that's that. So this is if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Anyway, this little one's made for a friend of ours, like I said, and yeah, and those holes up here is the ones I was telling you for breathing. Also put some stuff in there. They like all kinds of little mop stuff and straw, moose hair, caribou fur, even foam and stuff like that. They like a little bit of each, so let's give them some natural stuff. Birch rind too is a nice starter down on the bottom. All right. So a little lily pad greenhouse.